Good morning, students. In the previous video, we studied solution of linear inequations in two variables by graph method. Okay? Now, today we'll solve some word problems of exercise miscellaneous of chapter 6. So, question is, a solution is to be kept between 68 degree Fahrenheit and 77 degree Fahrenheit. So what is the range in temperature in degree Celsius? If the Celsius and Fahrenheit conversion formula is given by F equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Okay, one solution is to keep in between 68 degree Fahrenheit and 77 degree Fahrenheit. So what should be its range if we want to keep in centigrade in Celsius? So what should be its range? Okay. So here we have given Fahrenheit, and temperature is given 68 degree Fahrenheit and 77 degree Fahrenheit. So this is between 68 and 77. Okay, so F is more than 68, less than 77. Now we have given relation between F and C. F is 9 by 5 times of C plus 32. So that we can keep here. So F will be 9 by 5 C plus 32 is less than 77. Okay? Now we'll simplify this. So we want to eliminate 32 from here. So in each side we subtract 32 because here we have plus 32. So subtracting 32 from each, we get 68 minus 32 less than 9 by 5C is less than 77 minus 32. Okay, so it will be 68 minus 32, 36 is less than 9 by 5 times of C is less than 77 minus 32 is 45. Now we want to eliminate this 9 by 5 also. So multiplying both sides, all three by 5 by 9. So 5 by 9 into 36. Multiplying this by 5 by 9, then it will cancel out. So we are going to see, and here 45 into 5 by 9. Now similar this 9 4 36, so 520, 9 5 is 45, so 5 is 25. So C is more than 20, less than 25. So what should be range in degree Celsius? 20 degree and 25 degree, between 20 and 25 degree will be our range in Celsius. Okay, so if one solution kept in Fahrenheit between 68 and 77, so in Celsius it will be between 20 and 25. Okay, note down this. Okay, beta, now question is, a solution of 8% boric acid is to be diluted by adding 2% of boric acid solution to it. We have given one solution of 8% boric acid and we want to dilute it using 2% of boric acid solution. Now the resulting mixture is to be more than 4% but less than 6% boric acid. So after mixing this, our boric acid should be between 4% and 6%. 4%, more than 4% but less than 6%. So if we have 640 liters of the 8% solution, how many liters of 2% solution will have to be added? We have given 8% of boric acid of 640 liters. So what should be we have to add it? How many liters we have to add of 2% solution of boric acid, so that our resulting boric acid will be more than 4% but less than 6%. Okay, we have one solution which are having 8% of boric acid and other solution is having 2% of boric acid. So we want to mix from here so that our resulting mixture will be between 4 to 6%. In this mixture, boric acid will be more than 4% but less than 6%. Okay, so how many liters of 2% of boric acid we have to add? Suppose we add X liters of this 2% of boric acid we added. X liters of 2% of boric acid is added. Okay, then your total quantity will be, total quantity of mixture will be, we are having 640 liters of the solution, है ना? And we are adding in it x liters. So now we have x plus 640 liters. ठीक है, this is our total quantity of mixture. Now in this mixture, our boric acid should be more than 4% and less than 6%. So here, first thing, boric acid contained in the mixture will be, now how much boric acid we are having? So in this we are adding 2%, x liters of 2% of boric acid. So 2% of x liters plus, here we have 640 liters of 8%. So 8% of 640. How much boric acid we have? 2% of x liters and 8% of 640 liters. This much boric acid we are having in the solution. So it will be 2 by 100 of x or plus 8 by 100 of 640. This much boric acid we are having in the mixture, and this should be more than 4% and less than 6%. So according to question, this 2%, 2 by 100 of x plus 8 by 100 of 640. This boric acid is less than 6% off, and here more than 4% off. ठीक है, तो किसका total quantity is x plus 640, so 4% of x plus 640. So it should be more than 4% of x plus 640, and it is less than 6% of x plus 640. Now this we can simplify. So it will be 4 by 100 into x plus 640 is less than 2 by 100 into x plus 8 by 100 into 640 is less than 6 by 100 into x plus 640. Now each side we have the denominator 100, so multiply by 100, 100 will cancel out from each term. Then we have here 4 into x plus 640 is less than 2x plus 8 into 640. So 8 into 64 will be 508 cube is less than 6 into x plus 640. Now this you can simplify. So multiply 4 here, 4x 64 into 4, 256 less than 2x plus 5120 is less than 6x plus 024, then 36 38. ठीक है, now 2x 5120 we subtract from each, or you can take from here one equation from here. So this it can be written 4x plus 2560 less than 2x plus 5120. ठीक है, one condition, and 2x plus 5120 less than 6x plus 3840. Okay, now we can simplify this. So from first transposing 2x, you get 4x minus 2x is less than 5120 and transposing 2560. So you get here 2x is less than 5120 minus 250. It's double, है ना? So you get 2560. So x is less than 128. See, ठीक है? Then from second, 2x to send this side and 3840 this side. So 5120 20 minus 3840 is less than 6x minus 2x. 0, 12 minus 4, 8, 10 minus 8, 2, 4 minus 3, 1, less than 4x. So divided by 4, we get 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are x. So fourth equation. So from 3 and 4, x is more than 320 and less than 1280. Means we have to add x liters of 2% of boric acid we added, है ना? So it means your x should be more than 320 liters and less than 1280 liters. So 2% of boric acid should be 320 to 1280 liters. Okay, then our solution will be diluted and it will be having boric acid between 4 and 6%. Okay? Okay students, now we'll see solution of linear equation of this form. Ax plus b upon cx plus d more than equal to less than equal to k. Okay? If your given equation is like this form, then how to solve? So if we have one equation in this form, then what to do? We can just cross multiply and bring all x one side, other term one side. But here we cannot cross multiply because we don't know about x minus 1. It is negative or positive. It depends on x. And when you multiply by any negative number in the inequality, sign of inequality will change. Okay? So we cannot multiply cross because we don't know about x minus 1. It is negative or positive. So what are the steps how to solve these inequations? So first thing, from right side all the terms will send to left side. Means right side should be 0. So first step is 2x plus 4 upon x minus 1 minus 5 is more than equal to 0. Okay? Now left side we can simplify by taking some LCM. Na? So 2x plus 4 minus 5 into x minus 5 into minus 1 plus 5 upon x minus 1 is more than equal to 0. So it will give 2x minus 5x minus 3x plus 9 upon x minus 1 is more than equal to 0. Okay? Here 3, 9 divided by 3. So if you divide by 3, then we get x plus 3. We can divide by positive value. Na? Negative also can divide. Then sign of inequality will change. Na? Then less than become more than less than. So minus x plus 3 upon x minus 1 is more than equal to 0. So our equation becomes ax plus b upon cx plus d more than equal to less than equal to 0. That k simplified. So we have equation like this. So now what to do? This we have seen how for which values of x this will be more than equal to 0. When we did chapter 2 domain range, on that time we use this trick. So just put minus x plus 3 0 and x minus 1 equal to 0. And this x, what are you getting? 3 and here 1. These are called critical points. Okay? So our number line divided into 3 parts by these points 1 and 3. One is minus infinity to 1, one is 1 to 3, and one is 3 to infinity, positive. So in this 3 interval, in which interval its value will be more than equal to 0, that you have to see. So simple way, from this part take one value. So less than 1 value is 0 you can take. If take 0, what happens here? 0 plus 3 positive, 0 minus 1 negative. So it will give negative value. So we don't need this negative, we need because more than 0. Then from 1 to 3, so we can take 2 minus 2 plus 3 positive, 2 minus 1 positive, and we are putting 2. So minus, already here we have 2 plus 3 positive, 2 minus 1 positive. So it is giving positive value. Then more than 3, 4 if we take minus 4 plus 3 negative, 4 minus 1 positive. So negative or positive, negative value. So we are getting here negative, positive, negative. Means our value of this is positive in this interval 1 to 3. Okay? So our solution will be 1 to 3. This interval. Then 1 we cannot take because if we take 1, it is not defined. So from this side, open interval. 3 we can take. If we 3 take, then 3 minus 3 plus 3, 0, no problem. So 3 is included. So this semi-closed interval is our solution of this inequation. Okay? If we change this sign, coefficient of x, if we make positive, then what happens? If you multiply by minus 3, then you get x minus 3 upon x minus 1. In this case, it becomes more than 0. It is more than 0, na? So now it becomes less than 0. Okay? So now what happens? X equal to 3 and x equal to 1. In this case, what will give these values? 3 when you put less than 1. When you take less than 1 value, but 0. 0 minus 3. Positive, negative, 0 minus 1, negative. So we are getting negative value. Sorry. 0 minus 3 negative, 0 minus 1 negative, negative and negative, positive value. So we are getting here positive value. Then here between 1 and 3, 2, 2 minus 3 negative, 2 minus 1 positive. So we are getting negative value. Then here positive. So but if you make coefficient of x in both positive, so always you get like this positive, negative, positive. Okay? Without any calculation we can say positive, negative and positive. If we have both here positive coefficient of x. Okay? So always we get positive, negative and positive. So what we can do one thing, we can make coefficient of x positive and then we can simplify. So it will be easy for us. Okay? So always we get positive, negative and positive value. So what we need here, less than 0. So we can take this interval. If there is more than 0, so we can take this two part. And if it is more than suppose, so our solution will be minus infinity to 1 and 3 to infinity, and 3 is included, and then we can take here union. If we have this is more than 0, if we have question like this, x minus 3 upon x minus 1 more than or equal to 0, so our solution will be this part, this two interval. So one thing we do it, after making right side 0, in this coefficient of x should be positive. If we make positive, then always you get this pattern, positive, negative and positive. So according to that we can see our solution. Okay? Please note down.